Kusampo everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Manita. So from today I'm going to start a new series of moving into a new place in Brisbane. It has been 7 months since my arrival in Brisbane, and the housing crisis has hit me with a very huge slap, and I have been struggling to find a proper place. With the experience of shared house and living with other people has given us a lot of struggles. Now finally I am in a place which I can call it of my own, and finally settle in for a long term. So right here it is an auspicious day in Buddhist calendar, so I'm entering the house with some small rituals so that I can mark the date. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So this is the house tour for now. This is what we are getting. They said they will give a bed, but we said we have, so no bed, but sofa, this table, side table, this divider, TV, cabinet, then dining table, another sofa, a table, and this is the wardrobe, I suppose, and we have a wardrobe there as well. This is the kitchen, microwave, oven, sink, and that's the towel rack. Then let's go to the bathroom. There is a huge storage area here, and this is the bathroom. That's me. I love this part. Actually, we have a lot of stuff of our own, so I'll be arranging it. That's what we have got, and I'll show you all what we make of this place. Bye. So this is the situation next day. All of these cartoons are our stuff. This is the bed frame, some drawers, and here some stuff over here. So we're going to put the stuff here. This other mess here, and yes, for now this is the progress. So first off, let's start by making the bed, because that is the major chunk that will be lying around. So I'm just putting on the drawers. So while the bed is being made, I just want to talk about how things are over here in Australia, especially when it comes to shared house. It's a very cheap and a very affordable alternative, but the kind of people that we meet are very, very, very different. The magic of IKEA stuff, all the screws needs to go in here, so we decided to position it here. And let's put on the screws. The bed is done. Last part is putting on this. So this is the lunch scenario. Fries, chicken. So this is the kitchen condition right now. I'm going to just wipe it for now, and then put some things here so that we have we can reduce the boxes. We have a new steamer. I'm going to try use this very soon. So this is the progress so far. Just got a rice cooker, a fryer. The discharge needs to be filled. Over here it's like this. Here I've just thrown them here so that it's out of the way. Here is still some space. Mixer is there. Yet to keep the plate rack. And over here it's like this. This carton is empty, this one's empty. 3 cartons down, still some more left, but these are the new stuff. These are shoes, random clothes. So going to tackle this now so that there is space. Yes.
So many choices on booking.com. There are so many teen phase I could be.
So the cupboard from here is all shifted here. There's an empty space, as I said, going to make it into a wardrobe because there is the shower, so it's going to be like a walk-in thing. So the cupboard's here, this here, and then we have a rack. Going to put that. So tackling this right now. Stay here. भनेपछि सानो ट्रेडिसन हो क्या हो निकाल्ने गरेर गरेको New item added. So यो vlog सक्नुभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ म के भन्न चाहन्छु भने जुनले फर्स्ट टाइम अस्ट्रेलियामा आउनेहरूलाई होस्ट गर्छ जस्तो कि फ्रेन्ड्स फ्यामिलीज प्लिज बी काइन्ड टु द न्यू कमर्स दे आर सेटलिङ इन फर्स्ट टाइम आउँदाखेरि आफ्नो प्यारेन्ट्स छोडेर आएको हुन्छ आफ्नो फ्यामिली छोडेर आएको हुन्छ by trusting you and relying on you, and then to adjust to this new place, it's a very difficult thing. Big chunk of us will be nervous of how we will cope up with things. First ma jet lag hunda ke hundakiri please understand that उनीहरूलाई अलिक गाह्रो भइरहेको छ होला भनेर अन्त some they have been really helpful to us, and for those who showed a lot of different faces to us, I just want to say that may God never give that to you in any circumstance or in any phase of life. भन्नु त धेरै छ तर let's just keep it for another time. To the future me who will be watching this, I just want to let you know that you did it. All your emotional breakdowns and prayers, it is just paid off. So bye everyone.